Office phrase of the day from ToomeyBusinessEnglish.com. Welcome to Toomey Business English. If you like this content, then please like and subscribe to our channel. In this Business English lesson, you are going to learn the office phrase, move the goalposts. Let's say it again. Move the goalposts. Now, let's do an activity. I want you to guess the meaning of move the goalposts from the picture and sentence on the next slide. Let's go. It's frustrating trying to sell our product to the company. We agreed on a fee, but they decided to move the goalposts and wanted to pay less. So guess the meaning. You have 5 seconds from now. Move the goalposts. In business, what does it mean? It means to unfairly change the conditions or rules of a procedure during its course. And here's another example of how to use the phrase move the goalposts in a sentence. I'm so annoyed with my boss as she keeps moving the goalposts. I completed the funding application using the criteria she told me to use, but she then introduced further changes to my work, so I will have to start again. And another example. The customer and I were close to agreeing on a product logo. They said they liked my design, but at the last minute they moved the goalposts and asked me to draw and submit more logo designs. And a final example. We are never going to finish this report on time if our boss keeps moving the goalposts. Every week he continues to make changes. Okay, now it's your turn. Here's an activity for you. Use the office phrase move the goalposts to make a sentence. You can answer in the comment section below this video and I'll take a look. If you liked this video, you can get 300 workplace phrases at ToomeyBusinessEnglish.com free guide. To learn more workplace English, get the Master 100 Key Office Phrases course available at ToomeyBusinessEnglish.com courses. It has more than 7 hours of video content with worksheets and activities.